YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Ascension Capitals tapping back in with another video. And welcome to a whole new video, guys, and a whole new week. Today, it's March 3rd. Oh man. March 3rd, it's 8:11 right now. And the reason I'm up earlier than usual is because there's been a bit of some changes, or there's going to be a bit of some changes. I'm switching back to the Forex instruments. And the reason I'm doing that is because I've seen a lot of opportunities on crude and platinum as well, where I could have capitalized on some good swing opportunities outside of, my day trading strategy. And that is, could be a reason, well, not could be a reason, but there is potential of leaving capital on the table there. And I want to maximize as much as possible and not being able to swing in the futures market because I'm undercapitalized is a big issue. So for now, I'm switching back to the Forex market, and I may go back to futures, and I'll still keep my eye out on the futures market. But right now, I've just been looking at GJ and EU. So I think that's what I'm going to start back, trading for the foreseeable future. So right now I'm sitting in the lovely lab about to, get this day started. And yeah, welcome guys. So without further ado, let's just get straight into this new week. And I have to remember this week is NFP week. And yeah, gotta tread with grace. So yeah. YouTube, what's going on? So a bit of an update. The time is now 10:29. We're about halftime in the session, and I'm just kind of been looking at the market, not really trading today because I don't have the funds in my Forex broker to be trading today. So today's been kind of a simulated paper trading kind of day, and I did see a good opportunity with like a liquidity hunt sort of model on GJ, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. So here on the 1 minute time frame, as you can see, price had a bigger run up. Well, first it started on the 15. Price had a big run up when I got to the session today. Looking at it on the 15 time frame here, we had this initial run up. Oh, I don't like that green. Let's change it back to. We had this initial run up here, and then from this initial run up, I was looking for some sort of reversal. So here and here, I was looking for some sort of reversal to take price down to the downside. God, what the fuck is this nigga doing, man? Go home. Go home. Just for a little bit. Just for a little bit. I'm gonna get done explaining this GJ analysis, and I'm gonna come right back to you, thug. Right back to you. Badass jit. But like I was saying, we had this initial run up when I got to the session today, and we gapped up quite a bit of pips. Let's say about, let's turn this back around. Initial run up for about, measure this, 244 pips, but I had a run up. But I was looking for this reversal back down to this area here. So this is pretty much what I was expecting from today. So what I saw was dropping down to the 1M push. We had our initial reversal here. If I zoom in a bit closer, we had our shift in sentiment here, then a consequent break, had a consequent break, then we had waiting for price to come back to this zone here to mitigate something in here, and then this is where I decided to market execute. So pretty much what I was looking for was just to pull back to this zone. And I have to remember with Forex, things of this nature happens. Like we came very close to you know, the end of the zone, so I have to remember to give my stops a lot of breathing room when it comes to crude. Not crude, I'm all fucked up. YouTube. All right, so a bit of an update. The time now is going on halftime right now in the session. It's about 10:34. And I didn't really see, well, I did see an opportunity of sort of a liquidity hunt kind of model here on GJ. Damn, it's crazy. I was about to say crude, but GJ here. So we had a market structure shift. Then we started to one bearish candle, two bearish candle. Let me get all this labeled out first. All right, so looking at price on the 1 minute time frame for GJ, we had an initial run up today for about 244 pips. And pretty much what I saw is, let me see, highlighter, let's get this tool on 15M. So I saw this shift in sentiment here, which was a market structure shift. Then price started to rally down after that, you know, that a big run up earlier on the 15 minute. So this is the reversal phase of that 15 minute spike. So price failed this zone, flipping this zone here. So, you know, we were in the clear to get in for some shorts, but from this point, I would like to have seen price come back to this point, mitigate something in here. As you can see, that didn't happen, and price continued to fall to the downside. So, boosh, we put in a break structure. Boosh, we put in a break. And then, yeah, from this point, I was just pretty much waiting for some sort of clean retracement because price kind of dropped for some time. But at this time when price was pulling back to the zone, I saw price was already here. I didn't have a limit set, so I decided to market execute on the paper trade. So if I can turn it on, maybe it'll show the executions for the paper trade. So let's see if it'll show. Yeah, so I actually got in twice actually. So I decided to market execute here on the paper trade account, bush. And one thing I have to remember with trading GJ and EU now is that I'll have to remember to give my stops breathing room because price tends to run deep inside of drawdown before initially getting the move that I'm expecting. So I entered from this order block here, and price decided to, you know, keep dropping for you, boy, keep dropping down. So price came all the way down, and I got out at a 1 to 3. This is where I exited. Oh damn! Grab that fucking drum. This is where I exited the market here for a nice 1 to 3. So it was a nice kind of rundown. Only wish I could have taken that on the live account, right? But price is still continuing to rally to the downside. I don't really see any much else today, but this trade still has the potential to keep dropping. As you can see, we're still dropping right now in real time, but due to this darker kind of scheme, you can't really see the chart too well. But this is my new scheme though, color scheme though. Anyway, so I got out here, but like I said, price still has the potential to keep dropping for quite some time. So zooming out here on the 15-minute time frame, I'm expecting price to come back down to this area or this point of interest here. So as you can see, I could have held price for quite some time, but that's not really what I'm focused on. I just wanted to see how that trade idea would kind of shape up as far as, you know, liquidity hunt. So yeah, that was pretty nice position today, I must say. So yeah, still trying to get it right, get it tight. But yeah, 10:38. I'm still gonna end up watching the rest of this session just to see how everything kind of shapes out, and then hopefully, you know, look for some more jobs, look for another slave ship to sail ho, because your boy need to make some more shekels, and you know, you got to make that happen today. So after the session today, you know, I'll do the morning rituals and keep it moving with the rest of the day. But like I said in my previous video, man, it's now or never for real. Either you're gonna put up or shut up, bro, or forever be in the same position. So GJ's looking nice. EU's not really showing much. We're just kind of flying to the upside on EU. What is the code name for EU? I forget. Like I was saying it for a while. It's something with the F. Code name for euro dollar. I want to know this just because I liked it. Let's see what this brings up. What the fuck? Shit brought up ISO, bitch. That's not what I'm looking for. Code name for EU. Hold on, this ain't right. Should I put nickname for EU? Nickname for euro dollar. Fiber, that's what it is. Some fiber shorts, fiber longs, fiber. So yeah, the nickname. It says this nickname comes from, one suggests that the name comes from the euro banknotes made of pure cotton fiber, which makes them more durable. The other legend is that fiber comes from an extensive use of fiber optic cables in transmuting information. Yeah, so fiber, and let's see, GJ. Is there a code name for GJ? GBP, JPY. Damn. Face focus. This is oh bro, these names are fucking weird, because I've always known the cable, and that's GU, but it says the GBP pair is commonly known as the nickname Geppy. Is it Geppy or Jippy? I'm pretty sure it's Geppy. That's pretty weird, isn't it? Guppy. I'm not about to say that. That's just too weird. I'm about to take some guppy longs. Some guppy shorts. Guppy. It just sounds too silly. Guppy. Fiber and guppy. Or gippy. Fiber guppy. So anyway, that's all I really got for my analysis right now. That would have been a good short opportunity if I could have taken that. But yeah, I'll catch up with you guys in the next one. So yeah, peace for now. YouTube. Oh shit. My apologies. I got some melodies going on, but anyway, I'm What you got going on, dog? Alright, so what's going on, guys? It's the next day. Did I have on this hoodie yesterday? I don't know, probably so. But time is now 9:21. Tuesday, March 4th. And I'm not trading my live account today because I'm still pending funds and all that good stuff. And the Top Step account, blew that, ended up blowing it. So, yep, there you have that. But right now I'm paper trading GJ, like I said before. I'm gonna be trading EU and GJ back in the Forex market, so I'm able to trade the same strategy, but be able to hold out on trades for, be able to maximize gains and hold longer term trades when it comes to my strategy, because I'm not able to do that in the futures market. But right now I'm in some GJ shorts, looking for 1 to 3, and I took a paper trade yesterday like I showed you guys, so that was kind of cool, whatever. But nevertheless, we want to be making real money, but we want to be doing that as efficiently as possible. So right now I'm in some shorts, as I just mentioned, and man, still trying to get it going, keep growing. So anyway, right now I'm in some GJ shorts from a flip zone. So we're up about, wait, can I change this into pips? I don't think I can do this, but I know in futures market you can change it into ticks instead of the dollar amount. But anyway, there's kind of a possibility of me getting stopped out here because there is still an imbalance in the valid extreme of this range, and I didn't really see that at first till after price came into my drawdown pretty deep. I was like, why is this happening? What's up with that? Turn this mic on. What's up with that? So anyway, there is a possibility of me getting stopped out here and price coming to that valid extreme, and I am liquidity in this scenario. So nevertheless, it's a paper trade. I'm doing this because I want you to stay sharp, especially when I start to trade live capital. You have to be sharp on your P's and Q's. So we're gonna see how this kind of plays out for today. I'm trading before 9:30, so the valid extreme of the range and me entering before 9:30 is definitely a double whammy and a possibility of me getting stopped out. So nevertheless, I did see the opportunity, I did take it, so we're just going to see how it plays out. But I do think I'm going to get stopped. So I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit after this trade kind of commences. Full through. Let me see if I can change this. You can change it into pips. So now it's pips instead of dollar amounts. So that's pretty nice. But trading through TradingView with a US regulated broker is quite different because the spreads aren't the same. What else isn't the same? The leverage isn't the same. That's the biggest thing, the leverage, because overseas they give you 1 to 500, 1 to 100 leverage, but the max is 150 in the US. So meaning you don't have that much leverage in trading your own capital. Say if I was wanting to trade from my $100 account, I'm not able to risk like $30 of that account because I don't have enough leverage to balance the account, and that's just not how it works in the US. Say if I can do that with an overseas broker, unregulated broker, because they'll allow you to do stuff like that. You can risk $30 on a unregulated account, but you can't do that with the US regulated broker. That's 1 to 50 or 1 to 30. Like, you have to have really big capital to essentially make capital when it comes to US kind of regulated trading. But essentially you just have to know what you're doing and have capital. So yeah, still in this trade, guys. Up about 4 pips right now. It's still playing out. Oh, got a big ass hole in my jeans, my pants. Anyway, so we're still up about 6 pips right now and running a $67 stop loss. And yeah, I'm not going to break even after this internal low because that is still quite early. I'll maybe go break even after internal low gets broken. The time now is 9:26, but really they can just still. Oh yeah. Oof. That's crazy. So yeah, price just wicked that valid extreme. Gonna see how it plays out, and yeah, we'll just see. So let's see what does. Buy side, and it's before 9. Yeah, so pretty much what price just did is came to that valid extreme of the range here, and there was liquidity resting, and I know to take those types of setups and look at what price is essentially doing. Sharp wick, deep rejection, close to 930. So I'm pretty sure price is just going to run from now. So I was pretty much liquidity in this scenario. So damn, how could I not recognize that? And I'm pretty sure price is going to run now. This is a prime example of knowing where you are in the market in real time, because now I'm looking at it, the setup is beautiful. And this should have been the setup this should have been the setup I was taking, but I was entering from the zone. Hold on, let me put on this mic correctly. Oh shit. Hey there. I'll turn off the mic temporarily by accident. Alright, so I was pretty much the trap in this scenario, which is me getting in from here like a idiot. So let's label this SMT for the smart money trap. So boom, there you have it. I was stopped out in the scenario because I entered the market too early and prematurely, not understanding there was resting liquidity just above me. So that is very careless of me. I would have got tagged in quite nicely, and price is pretty much running all the way to target now. I need price to take out these lows. And bush, smash TP. In this scenario, I would have taken out 90% in the position and just leave the rest to run for a longer term target. So I'm pretty confident that this trade is going to play out. It's a 9:30 open. And the trade, let's see what it does. Deep pullback. There's still the possibility of this, getting stopped out. The whole trade idea failing in general. That's still a possibility. But based off this whole flip zone scenario, I'm thinking this is going to play out. So there was valid extreme up here. Entered here, not seeing, failed to realize that liquidity was resting. Entered here, ran for a little bit, like smart money trap typically tends to do. They'll run in favor and I say, no, your dumb ass is on the wrong side of the market. And then bush, tagged into that valid extreme up here. Let me turn on the order block setting, bush. You hear the dog in the background. But yeah, came out to the valley extreme of the range, tagged in for a nice 1-3. Could have banked that pretty quickly. Well, I can't say pretty quickly yet because price hasn't smashed target yet. But we're definitely gonna watch this real time. Real time. Hey! What's wrong with you? You need some love? Come on in here and annoy me. Come on, GJ, go ahead and do what you're gonna do. I know what you're gonna do. I'm pretty confident I know what you're gonna do. Oh yeah, that's smashing target, bro. Without a doubt. Bush. And TP could have got smacked. But that's part of the game. You gotta understand where you are in the market. And that was a nice setup, to be honest. Resting liquidity. That was a high probable setup. How could I miss that? How could I? So yeah, I'm going to journal this in my trade journal under missed trades. And yeah, see how the rest of this session develops. Alright, so let me pause this music. I saw an opportunity for some continuations of that same trade idea here on GJ, so I got in again. So this will probably be my last trade idea of the day, considering, it is a paper trading account, and I do got some grapes on me right now, but the first position I was risking about $100, well, not even. It was about $50 on that first trade idea, and this trade idea is about $52. So in total amount of risk today, it is about $100, I would say. I don't know the first. It is either $100 or $200 between those two, but nevertheless, the trade is running right now up about 19 pips. I will roll my stop to. Well, I'll not roll my stop to break even at this low, but I'll roll my stop to break even at this low because there's still an opportunity for a pullback. If that happens, so I don't want to roll my stop to break even too early. So this could happen, but I want to see price break this low before I completely roll my stop to break even. Because right now, we're still kind of running and doing the thing. So, yeah. Roll my stop to break even here. And then, yeah, we'll see if the trade smashes target or not. But I'll get back with you guys after some more development of this idea, yeah? I'm going to smash on these grapes some more and kind of lock in. We in the field. And we're back. This trade is really consolidating. So, not really getting no volume here, but nevertheless, we still are in this trade. Got some rest and liquidity in two areas here, but we're still kind of floating around the entry, just kind of chopping up. So I may get cooked and get chopped out, but that's all good. But give me a second. Hold on. Focus on the face. Fruitin, fratin. Shout out to nigga Roberto, man. Yeah. So yeah, we just been chopping and getting cooked up. The time is now 9:50, 9:58. Trying to get it straight. Come here. Say hello to the people at home. Yeah, he's trapped in here now. I got a little Ollie man back in here. Sit down and be a good boy. Yeah, yeah. I thought I taught you better. Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna get you a sweater. Yeah, yeah. You already got a sweater. Man, you did everything. You ain't got nothing, no business in here for real. But starting to, oh man, blurry. Starting to get a little bit of momentum here on the scaling idea on GJ here. Up about 20 pips, risking about $50. I actually looked at my previous trade idea, and that previous trade idea I was risking $50, so risking a total of $100 today. So hopefully something can transpire from this trade idea. I'm finna let you out, man. Go. You always want to go in my Gmod room for what? Steal socks and shit. A little thieving nigga. Oh, look at that. Got a big drop. This is what I'm looking for. Up about 40 pips now. Whoosh. So once the price closes below this low, I'll be willing to roll my stop to break even. Alright. Just smash that point. We may even just smash target, but we'll just see. Why is this thing red? Is it supposed to be red? Yeah, I think so. As long as it's picking up my voice, I'm cool. You feel what I'm saying? So, damn, I can't clip this shit back on. Damn. All right. Oh man, put this hood back on though. I ain't looking too hot. All right, so price closed below that low with the body, so this is where I'm willing to roll my stop to break even. Maybe about here. Done there, been there, done that. Roll stop to break even, and we're almost to that target. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my TP, or my target, should I say, not my toilet paper, my target. Can I still do that? So this TP will be $157. Bush. Should I close out the whole thing and leave a runner? Or what? Yeah, why not? So first I gotta do this math. Hold on. So yeah, it's in units of. So units is different. Hey Siri, what is 90% of 39,294?
The answer is 35,364.6.
35,364, okay. 35,364, okay. So I'm gonna close out that much in units once price gets to my target, and I'll leave the rest to run for some longer term targets. Keep in mind, I am paper trading. This would be nice if this was on like my live account or something, but you gotta start somewhere. So come on, do what you're gonna do, price, and come to target. Let me label all this out as far as break even goes. Bush. And I still could have been in this and with a perfect scale in if I wasn't trapped in, wasn't liquidity in the first position, because not paying close attention to price, bro. So close, reaching target, getting very close, but nevertheless, still munching on these grapes. So stops are at break even now, so that's a good thing. But yeah, we're going to see how the rest of this plays out, if we're going to leave a runner or not. Zoom out, bro. I'm so zoomed in. All right, so got my target set. It's a little bit over 90% of the position. I at least want to close with like $100 and leave approximately like $50 to run. So I got my limit set here on GJ, looking for my first target to take me out at about 95% of the position. And yeah, we're going to see how this holds up. Going on 10:06. So approaching halftime, not quite halftime yet, but we're approaching it, so we're gonna see. All right, guys, is my mic on? Yeah. Tapping back in, drop my hands, just had to walk my dog. We're approaching first target for 1 to 3 for about 1 to 3. Give me what I need. Give me what I need. I need a 1 to 3. Up about 57 pips right now. Oh damn! Don't get. Oh my God! Don't do that. The pullback right at the target is crazy. Scaling opportunity. It hit it, but you know how spread is when it comes to Forex. It didn't even close me out. How could it though? I should have just did it myself. 39,420, okay. Let me go ahead and do it. Oh, that's so lame. It didn't even close me out. It's 39,420, right? 39,420. Comma. Oh, there it goes. Wow, it doesn't even keep my stop right at the entry anymore. It brought my stop loss way down here. What the hell? Why did it do that? That was weird how all that closed. I don't really know how to trade Forex through TradingView. Trading it through futures is quite different. Because that should have closed out the whole position, but it was it more than the actual entry? Maybe that's why. I don't know. It probably was. It was more than the actual entry. So I probably kind of miscalculated the unit size. But nevertheless, target smash though. So I'm gonna slide this over. Entered here. Bush. For a nice 1 to 3, a scale and opportunity for me entering too early on the first one. And I was still in the trade, but yeah, I don't know why it closed me out like that. It must have been, the units must have been off. Let's see. But nevertheless, $160 gain on this paper trading account. So that was nice. That's definitely how I would have managed my actual capital. So yeah, this paper trading account is really old. I started this account back in 2024, like late 2024 too. So let me see. What was the first trade on this account? It was November 25th, 2024. That was the first trade I started on this 100K demo. So as of right now, I'm trading it like I would trade an actual live account. So not risking crazy, even though it is a 100K demo. It's just like, bro, what's the point? Risk like how you would your actual capital of an actual size account. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's pretty nice. I got the exit all kind of wonky, but $160 gain on the account. So that's pretty nice here. So yeah, guys, that's all I really got for today on this marvelous day. And yeah, I'm gonna keep it pushing. And yeah, that was a nice learning lesson, though. I have to say, even though that was such a rookie mistake, me entering not before the valid extreme. It's just like, come on, you know better than that. But you gotta learn. You win some, you lose some. You know, take mental note of that, journal that, because that is something you have to be keen on and be highly aware of, especially when it comes to trading, man. You gotta be on your P's and Q's and know where you are in real time when it comes to price, and be aware of how you are performing. So yeah.